And another breakfast at the hotel. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit indeed. And breakfast starts with egg.
From Magic Hotel.
Buenos dias, buenos dias. Yeah, salt is essential for egg.
Hola, buenos tardes. Today I'm in Santa Cruz, the capital of Tenerife. This is Santa Cruz Bus Station. So we took the bus 103 from Puerto de la Cruz. So Santa Cruz is located on the northeast coast of the island. Let's explore the Santa Cruz city center. Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
The island's largest city is also the joint capital of the Canary Islands.
So it is.
So the bustling city is full of interesting places to visit. For his historic places, market, square, and so on. So this is Mercado de Nuestra Senora de Africa, a lively bazaar food market. So there are over 300 stalls selling fruits, flowers, mint, and dairy products.
Hey, so you can see a lot of vegetables, potatoes, tomatoes, oranges. Oh, life is good. Let's see.
Lots of fruits and other grocery. And restaurant, a small stall to eat. Lot of eating stall.
To buy something, you can get it here. Look at the beautiful mushrooms. Mushrooms, 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 mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. Oh wow! Mushroom. Okay. And all the fruits. And if you are a meat eater, look at all those hams. Wonderful. Oh, look at the meat. Chicken. Bananas, oranges. Pastellas. Oh, cakes. Oh, that looks delicious. Various nice breads. So many vegetables. Oh, that's very interesting. Tomato, look at this one. How interesting. Boutique chocolate. Mozart. And yes. Honey. Okay. Everything for herbal medicines, herbal teas. Oh wow, fantastic. Oregano. How lovely. Hola. Nice herbs. Okay, so we are walking around the top of this market.
In pink color.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I think it's like beige, beige color. And left and right.
Take me a photo.
Yeah.
Maybe from the other side. So this clock tower is at the African market in Santa Cruz.
Very nice, and something for kids, something. Oh, this tower is perfect. Huh? A lot of flowers. So, looks really, really pretty. Okay. Market for fruits, vegetables. Oh, let's see other places. Oh, it's just a place to sit and relax. Beautiful street. Yeah.
Santa Cruz.
Once. Okay. And museum. And palm trees. Very nice.
This is the Church of Concepcion near the port of Santa Cruz. Sadly, this church is closed to enter today at now. So this is Plaza Espana area. Welcome to Santa Cruz.
Indeed, Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz.
Enjoying the sunny walk in Plaza Espana.
Buongiorno signore, come sta?
Beautiful park, isn't it? So let's walk along this beautiful alley or pedestrian walkway. Beautiful, isn't it?
Okay, A really beautiful street. Full of little shops, restaurants. Oh yes, Park Garcia Sanabria. Wonderful. Okay, so look how wonderful streets can be, full of people eating, enjoying themselves in all directions. Yeah. And number 4 direction. Okay, there are 4 people sitting here and another person over there. Is he ticklish? Yes.
We are approaching Garcia Sanabria Park.